Hi, I'm Justin Pate from the Wrap Institute, and I'm very happy to announce that CoverStyle has a new width of interior wrapping film. It's called XL. Normally wrapping film is around 120 centimeter, this is 137, and with that I want to give you the details of why this is really beneficial to you when you're doing interior wrapping film.
Interior wrapping film has so many upsides, from the design freedom that comes with a wide variety of choices and finishes, the cost savings compared to standard renovations, and much more. One of the only downsides has been the limitation on the width of the film, which is an industry standard 122 centimeters, until now. CoverStyle now offers XL, an interior wrapping film that comes 137 centimeters wide, in stunning black and white matte versions. Why is this beneficial to you? Less waste and higher workflow. For example, a standard sized closet or kitchen door with a width of 60 centimeters cannot be wrapped on both sides with a standard 122 centimeter wide panel. Yet, with XL, you can now get both sides of a door, but also the front two doors installed with just one panel. A huge savings in material and uptick in profits. For more information on CoverStyle XL, go to coverstyle.com today.